We all are seekers of peace, truth, love, happiness, and wisdom. We have been searching this outside in the world with people, with places, locations, relations, situations. But we failed to discover that permanent peace and happiness in our life. Every living species, not only the human beings, you touch the mosquito flees. It escapes the danger because it is looking for the peace and happiness. So that urge is always there in all the living species. How to discover that? At the same time, how to bring an end to all kinds of suffering, mental, emotional. We have no right to die before we discover that peace and happiness. That is what this offering is. Now, you know that the mind with the sense organ knows or perceives, and the intellect claims this is what I am. But the real self is different. The mind and the memory, intellect and the ego or the I thought are the two pairs, four functions of one mind. So as long as mind is heavily, it will continue to perceive and create a false notion of who am I from the world outside. And then I will continue suffering. I have to transcend. That is what the meditation is. Mindfulness. Know thyself. What exactly, you asked me, human being? So human plus being. So human is the material part, the body, breath, mind, intellect, plus I thought. As an individual. And what about the being? Being is pure consciousness. It never changes. It is all pervading. So what happens, instead of knowing that I am a being in a pure consciousness, I recognize I'm an individual supported by the body, breath, mind, intellect, and ego. There the problem lies.